Telepathic Communication with Animals and Nature workshop conducted for 2 days.
Hello, my name is Uma Parsule Desai and I have attended 2 days workshop with Swati Maria of Animal Communicator. I was her client and my cat went missing and she literally gave proper answer, and so I was so fascinated, and when she told me that she had started the workshop, I was the first person to enroll in it, and I have completed this course, and I find this so fascinating, and I am so happy that I have joined this, and with Swati, she's the best teacher, and I wish her all the best. Thank you.
I personally believe in interactive sessions, and hence I start my workshop with an activity wherein the participants have to talk to each other without actually saying a word. It happens through telepathy. And trust me, when they are actually able to understand each other without verbally talking to each other, they are extremely happy and fascinated with the fact that this is a language which they already knew but had never actually discovered it. Different meditation techniques are taught in the workshop to learn telepathic communication with animals.
So I met Swati like a couple of months back and she introduced me to the animal communication world. She mentioned that there's a thing which is like a telepathic communication with animals which exists, which I initially did not believe. I was like, okay, what is this? I don't think this exists. And later I got a dog and I got her speak to my dog a couple of times, which made me realize that okay, whatever she's saying is actually true, and I could validate all the things that she told me about my dog. And later one day her husband came to me and he told me that Swati is gonna take like a 2 days workshop on this, and are you like willing to try this? And I was like, oh my god, yes, I really want to learn how to communicate with animals. So this 2 day workshop taught me about different things. Like it's not only about animals, but it's also about nature, landscape, trees, and like several other things which the world I was never aware about. When I did that, the feeling that I got was very nice. I got to learn a lot, and Swati was a very good teacher. I am really very happy that I joined the course and I got to learn so much from her. I thank you, and Swati, all the best for your future job.
On the second day, they are mainly taught about communicating with landscapes and focusing on talking to the nature.
हाय, मैं संगीता मारिया हूँ और मैंने एनिमल कम्युनिकेशन के बारे में सुना. पहले मुझे बिलीव नहीं हुआ, पर मैंने जब अपना डॉग लियो का कम्युनिकेशन स्वाति के थ्रू करवाया तो मुझे एक्चुअली इस पे बहुत ही भरोसा हुआ. और उसके बाद मैंने सोचा कि क्यों नहीं मैं भी कुछ सीखूं उसके बारे में और जानकारी लूं. तो मैं इधर 2 दिन की वर्कशॉप स्वाति से सीख रही हूं और मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है. आई एम रियली एंजॉयड.
The participants are practically made to talk to the trees, pay attention to what they are saying, concentrate, hear them out, touch them, and feel them. In fact, ask them how exactly trees are feeling that point of time. There are step by step techniques that are taught to the participants how they can exactly speak to plants and animals, landscapes, even non living objects which has energies. It is all about energy that they need to talk to. The participants are also taught about how to communicate with missing or lost animals, how to even talk to the animals in spirits who have died. By the end of this workshop, you will finally realize that you have always had the ability to do telepathic communication, but you fail to discover that because we humans already have a verbal language to speak, and that is the reason we do not really pay attention to the innate ability which we've always had since the time we were born, and that is telepathic communication ability. The only thing that you need to take care of before coming to the workshop is that you need to come with an open mind and heart. You need not have any kind of prior judgments about anything. You need not have any kind of blocked mind. You need not have anything against your own self, that how will I be able to do it? Will I be able to accomplish something or not? Can I actually talk to animals or not?
मैं रोजीना देसानी बोलती हूँ। मेरे को डॉग कम्युनिकेशन के बारे में पता चला तो मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा सुन के। फर्स्ट टाइम तो मैंने जब एक्सपीरियंस किया, जब मेरा डॉग कोको करके है जो बहुत बीमार हो गया था, तो मुझे पता नहीं चल रहा था और एक्चुअली में डॉक्टर को भी पता नहीं चल रहा था कि उसको एक्चुअली में क्या हो रहा है। मगर मेरी फ्रेंड जो स्वाति जो अभी जो कर रही है, जो प्रोग्राम आयोजन करती है, उसने मेरे को बताया कि मैं उसके साथ बात करके देखती हूँ। तो उसने मेरे को बताया कि कोको को ये प्रॉब्लम है। फिर हम लोग डॉक्टर के पास गए कि उसको ये प्रॉब्लम है, मगर डॉक्टर मानने के लिए रेडी नहीं थे। मगर हम लोग ने उसको फोर्स किया कि नहीं, मेरी फ्रेंड है वो सही बोल रही है और उसको सेम वही प्रॉब्लम है। फिर उसने एक्सरे करवाया, सोनोग्राफी कराया, तो जो स्वाति ने बोला था वही मेरे को जो रिपोर्ट में आया। तो उसके बाद मैं बहुत अप्रिशिएट हो गई और फिर मैंने इसके लिए क्लास ज्वाइन करने का सोची और मैं 2 दिन के लिए क्लास अटेंड करी। मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा। थैंक यू वेरी मच स्वाति।
This workshop will make you enter a beautiful world of animal, nature, plants, and landscape.
Hi everybody, my name is Ayushi, and I had heard about animal communication but never truly believed in it. But when I heard from Swati all the stories that she told me, the missing animals that she found, the animals that were sick, and she could find out where the problem was, I was really fascinated. And I always thought it's a miracle and how could I learn it. And when she told me about the workshop, I decided to join it. And my reason for coming to the workshop was to communicate with my own animal, who earlier also communicated with Swati, and we saw great results. So thank you Swati for this workshop. We really enjoyed it, and hopefully you'll guide us ahead too. All the best for your future endeavors. Thank you.
You can either join the workshop by attending the workshop physically, or you have an option of attending the workshop online as well with me.
Hi, I am Raksa Jyotindra Gadaria. मैंने ये वर्कशॉप के बारे में सुना था। इट्स जैसे आगे आपने सुना कि कोको के बारे में, जो वो फर्स्ट मेरा एक्सपीरियंस था कि स्वाति ने फाइंड आउट किया कि क्या है, एंड देन वो सही निकला। तो तब से आई एम वेरी मच क्यूरियस कि मुझे देखना है, आई मीन मुझे ये जानना है क्या है, ये क्या स्टडी है। सो जैसे ही मुझे मालूम पड़ा कि स्वाति दिस बेच कंडक्ट करेगी, सो आई एम वेरी क्यूरियस और मैंने तुरंत ही आई एग्री, एंड इवन दो आई एम नॉट फीलिंग वेल देन ऑल्सो आई जॉइंड, एंड और मुझे इतना अच्छा लगा कि, और मुझे डिफरेंट वर्ल्ड के बारे में समथिंग जानने को मिला, और आई एम वेरी हैप्पी। और स्वाति इज वंडरफुल टीचर एंड वंडरफुल सीज, एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी विथ हर, एंड आई रियली अप्रिशिएट कि मुझे ये स्वाति के थ्रू जानना मिला। सो थैंक यू वेरी मच स्वाति, लव यू।
I would love to be your support system in helping you communicate with nature and animals.